Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I don't know what day you're gonna see this video, but it's Tuesday. It's snowy, it's cold. I can't wait for spring. What kind of weather are you guys experiencing? I'm ready for some warmer weather. I wanna be outside. I like winter for a little bit, like around Christmas time, but now I'm just done. Like, let's bring on the spring weather. If you're in a warmer climate, can you send some of that weather to us? I mean, I think it was last week, we just had some nice spring weather, and it was such a tease because it was only 2 or 3 days. It was so nice. I enjoyed every second of it, but I want it back. All right, so today I have a Stitch Fix for you. And Stitch Fix is one of my favorite subscription boxes that I receive. You can receive it on a subscription type basis where you get it like monthly, every 2 to 3 weeks, I think quarterly maybe. You can also receive it on demand, which is what I do. So basically you just request a box whenever you feel like it. Kind of dangerous for me because I request a box every time I return a box pretty much. Yep, my confession, but whatever, being real. So I'm excited to share my Stitch Fix with you. So I did open it up. I did not try anything on. I did not open my necklace box, which I'll tell you about in a second. But before I do that, Stitch Fix, I will leave more information below about Stitch Fix. But it's an online styling service where you go online, you fill out a style profile, and then based on that profile, a stylist curates a box of 5 items. Ships to your house. Once you get it, you have 3 days to try everything on, see what fits, see what you like, what you don't like. Whatever doesn't fit or you don't like, you put in this prepaid mailer and you drop it off at the post office, or I think they can pick it up at your house. They do also offer exchanges, so if something doesn't fit, you can exchange up or down a size. You pay $20 for your styling fee, which does get credited to anything that you keep in your box. I have a style pass, which I paid $49 for the year, so that I get kind of like, I don't pay a styling fee for my boxes because I paid that $49, and that got credited towards the first box that I purchased after that. If you keep all 5 items, you get a 20 or 25% off discount for those 5 items. So it's kind of nice if you like everything in your box. I might be missing something, but if I am, I'll leave, you can find out below. So I've had the same stylist, her name is Alex, for my entire time that I've been doing Stitch Fix. She's phenomenal. I love her. This girl can pick out a pair of pants for me better than I've ever been able to pick them up for myself. So she is just fantastic. And I am short. I'm just not proportional. So she does a fantastic job, and she's never met me. So I can't say enough about her. Anyway, I'm excited to try everything on, show you what I got. I'll show you in the try-ons. I will also leave a list below of the items that I received and the prices. So if you want something, you can request it. You get your price sheet, my least favorite thing in the box. We'll look at that after. And then a note from your stylist with the style cards, which is really nice. So this is my fix. I didn't read my note yet. You can request an item from, or items or specific things in your boxes. I didn't have any requests this box, except I was watching Terry over at Southern Yankees channel. Phenomenal channel, by the way. You should go check her out because she's awesome. She received a necklace in her last Stitch Fix box, and it was beautiful, and I wanted it, so I immediately went and requested it, but I don't think it's the same necklace. I did peek on the app. I don't think it's the same one, but I didn't open the necklace box yet, so we'll find out. All right, I'll be right back. We're going to try everything on, and we'll go through things. 1 second. All right, I'm back, and this is the Westkey Allan tie sleeve high-low blouse in burgundy for $42. So I didn't like this when I peeked on the app, which kind of happens to me. If I don't like it on the app, I end up liking it in person. Yep, I like this one. I'm keeping this one unless you guys like tell me, Kayla, you're crazy. Anyway, let's look at it. So burgundy, love the color. Love that it's leopard print because that's one of my favorite prints. We know that, right? Sleeve length, look at the sleeves. Look how cute the sleeves are. I just have to point this out. I mean, the hole is kind of in like the elbow spot, which is a little strange, but when I'm like placing my hands down, it's not bad. But the cute tie sleeves, I love those. And it's on each arm, obviously. Neckline, perfect, love it. I'll back up. Great length. It's a little shorter on the front than I prefer, but look at the back. Perfect length. That covers what I needed to cover back here. So I'm happy about that. right? I love this top. What do you guys think? I think this is a definite keeper. I think this is kind of a no-brainer. It actually is kind of like a wrap top, which normally I don't like. The wrap tops don't flatter me, but for some reason, this particular top, I like, and I think it flatters me. But if I'm crazy and if I'm totally off base, I want you to let me know nicely, all right? Please let me know, but be nice about it, okay? But I'm gonna change. I'll be right back with the next item, so hang tight. All right, I'm back with the next top, and this is the Fun to Fun Mackenzie split neck Henley top in dark green for $44. So it's okay. So it's a plaid top. I like the neckline. I like that it's not the typical collared neckline for plaid shirts. Just don't think plaid is my thing for some reason. It doesn't flatter me. I can't find a plaid print that flatters me. These sleeves are kind of like a roll top, but I don't know if it's just the way it fits. They're kind of in a weird spot. I don't know, on each side. It is a good length. I'll turn around and show you the back too. So it's not a bad length. I have it on with some leggings. It's definitely tight. It's tight here in like the bust area. It's pulling, I can feel it. It does have a pocket, but I just don't think this is a Kayla top. So I think this one's going back. I do like the colors. I don't know. I just don't think that I would pull for it, and I don't think that it flatters me really. So, all right, I have one more top and a pair of jeans to try on, and I'll be right back with those, and then we'll move on to the necklace because I can't wait to show you the necklace. It's actually really cute. All right, hang on one second. All right, I'm back with my last two clothing items, and the first one is I just had it. I'm sorry. It's the Leo and Nicole Zaryn Lightweight Cotton Blend Pullover in beige for $64. And the bottoms, which I'll show you in a second, are the Democracy Karessa Capri Skinny Jean in indigo for $68. So right off the bat, we'll start with the top. I'm not crazy about it. I did keep a poncho style top in, I think, 2 fixes ago, which I sized down at least one size, maybe 2. And I really like it. This one, I'm just not really crazy. You can kind of come closer. I did get my hair colored, so it's a little bit lighter. But even with my hair color, I'm not really liking the color for my skin tone or my hair. I don't know. And I don't want to buy any more winter clothes, I don't think, especially for $68. But I guess that's just me. I don't know. I just don't think this top does anything for me. It's very like boxy. Yeah, okay, I'll stop doing that. I have to be careful because on each side we have huge slits that come way up. So I definitely have to wear something underneath this. So anyway, I'm gonna pass on this one. It could be cute for the right person, but not for Kayla. All right, the bottoms are the Democracy Capris, and it's not capri weather yet, and that might be what's throwing me off. I do love the color of the denim. I think it's a really great dark wash. Love the cuffing on the bottom of the pants, and yes, I'm just short, so they do look like ankle pants, but they are supposed to be capri pants. It's just a Kayla thing. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna keep them because I'm just not ready for. I don't know. I'm ready for capri weather. It's not capri weather, but there's something about them that they're comfortable. I don't know. Since I'm just not crazy about them and I don't love them, I'm not going to keep them. So, all right, I'll be right back. We'll do a recap, but right before the recap, I will show you the necklace, and I can't wait to show you that. So hang tight. All right, so let me show you the necklace, and then we'll do the recap. So this is the Romolo Torres pendant necklace in pink for $34. So the pendant is gold, really pretty. It's got those 3 gold pendants, and then here on the chain, it's got a mixture of like gold with pink beads and some kind of crystal clear beads. So it's really pretty. Let me just show it to you really quickly. So I like it. Can I back up enough to show you? I think it's really, really cute. I can wear it with this. I have some pink tops that I can wear it with. I can wear it with black. I can wear it with white. Probably with some other colors if I get creative enough, step outside of my comfort zone. So I think this is a keeper. What do you think? I like long necklaces, and it's not too dainty for me because, you know, I like my statement pieces. So I think this is a keeper. All right, so really quickly, If I kept everything in my box, it would be $252. Not bad for 5 pieces. My buy all discount would be 25%, which takes off $63, bringing it down to $189. Not bad. I am not gonna keep all 5 items at this point. I think I'm just gonna keep this necklace and this fun cheetah burgundy cheetah leopard, whatever you want to call it, shirt. It's different and I like it. I don't own anything like this, so let me know what you think. And I don't own a wrap front top because usually they don't look good on me, so I'm excited to keep this one. I'm keeping it as long as you guys don't really tell me like, Kayla, you're crazy, don't keep it. And I still might because I really like it. All right. Anyway, thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys really soon.